I cook this spaghetti with just 1,500 naira. It is pocket friendly and also recommended for lazy students and busy mom. If you want something friendly and cheap, please try this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I cooked spaghetti with just 1,500 naira. This spaghetti is on the low budget, so I'm started off by showing my ingredient. This is my pasta spaghetti. I use onion oil. The next thing, I pound my tomato. I don't have a blender, so I have to pound my tomato puree. So this is how it comes out. After pounding, I'll set it aside. Then I make my fire. After I make a fire, I set my pots on the fire to let it dry. Then I add my oil. After oil, I add the onion, chopped onion, and allow it to fry for a few seconds, and it turns to golden brown a little before I add my tomato puree. The next thing I add is my tomato puree. I did not use any protein for this food because I told you it's a low budget spaghetti, just with 1,500 naira. This food come out great, yummy, and it's served 5 minutes. So if you're looking for low budget spaghetti, or you're a busy mom, or you're a mom that is trying to put things in on the table, please try this recipe. You will love it. Also, it's pocket friendly for students. Lazy students can also try this recipe. If you are craving for spaghetti, please, this is recommended for you. So now I'll fry the oil and tomato, the sauce. Allow the water to dry up so that the oil can come up. Okay, that is the essence of this. Next, now I add my seasoning, pepper, and salt. So I use dry pepper for this meal, for this sauce. Okay. The next now I set my pot on the fire. I added salt. Allow it to boil. Okay. Now it has boiled. I add my pasta to it and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Alright. Please, if you find this video worthy, if you find it valuable, please give it a subscription. Please do well to comment and also like it. Please, if you find this worthy, this will help my channel grow and also help it get more visibility. Thank you. So now I'm plating the spaghetti. Okay, I plate the spaghetti after cooking it. Alright, so this is how the spaghetti came out. Like I said, it's a low budget friendly pasta. I don't have to break the bank to cook this. I don't have to go broke to cook this. Okay, it's have 5 meals and it came out good, yummy, and delicious. Please try this at home. It's recommended for busy mom, busy students, and for students too, and anyone looking for cheap meal. Okay, I can add any protein of your choice if you desire, but I didn't add to this one. So go ahead and add as much as any protein that you want for this spaghetti. So now after plating it, I'll add the sauce. Okay, then I'll add my sauce to this. So please watch this video to the end, and you will see, if you get value for it, like and also comment in the comment section. Please, this will help my channel grow and also give you more visibility. Thank you, and I appreciate you all for watching this video. So after plating it now, next thing now, I'll add my sauce, my tomato sauce. Alright, so watch to the end of this video to see how the sauce sits well on the spaghetti. Alright, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. This will help my channel get more visibility. This will help it to grow. Please, thank you. Every subscription, every like, comment goes a long way. I'll add my sauce to this rice. Okay, I'm adding my sauce to this spaghetti rice. This is it. I really appreciate you for watching this video. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see more cheap and easy recipe. Meal. More cheap, pocket friendly meal. Please subscribe to see more. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.